Today we're checking out the Barricade TCX drop side step bars for the 2010 to 24 4Runner, excluding the Limited. If you want easier access into your 4Runner, along with a more aggressive off-road look and a little extra protection down low, these are the kind of steps that really fit the character of the 4Runner, so they're definitely worth considering. The biggest feature here is going to be the drop step design. That lower step position makes it easier to get in and out, which is especially useful on a taller 4Runner or one that might see family duty, loading kids in and out, camping trips, and everyday commuting. The 5-inch wide step pad also gives you a wider place to plant your foot, so these feel more practical in real life and not just like a styling piece. On top of that, they're going to double as side protection, which is a great bonus for trail use, rough roads, and general bumps and scrapes that can happen on the lower body, especially those annoying parking lot door dings. The angular design that's heavy duty is going to give them a tougher and more custom look than basic factory style boards. So they do a nice job of making the 4Runner look built more for purpose. This is a really nice middle ground for someone who wants a more functional step and more attitude with jumping all the way into some hardcore rock sliders. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting heavy duty steel with a matte black powder coat finish. This steel build is going to give the bars the strength and rigidity that you want in a step and a protection piece, while the powder coat is going to help them resist corrosion and keep that clean black look over time. These are built really tough and they're not going to start to flex and bend even after years of use. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in the low $300 price range. That's a very fair price in my opinion for a set of vehicle-specific drop step bars because you're getting solid steel construction, useful entry and exit, making it easier every day, and a rugged custom look. And you get a little added side protection along the way, all for a price that is still very reasonable. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can get this job done in about 2 hours of your time. So let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a ratchet, a 13mm socket, and a 13mm wrench. Today we're going to be installing running boards on our 4Runner. Let's get into it. First, you want to pick the correct running board and correct brackets for the right side. So in this case, we're going to be on the driver's side. So you're going to want to look for a D, which will be on this part of the running board. If you're doing the passenger side, you'd be looking for a P. Same thing with the brackets. You're going to want to look for a D for driver, a P for passenger. Now, as far as where these brackets go on the running board, you're going to see 2 letters on there. So this one's DC, so driver's center. This one's DR, driver's rear. And this one's DF, driver's front. Same thing for the passenger side, just with a P. Now we have that out of the way. We're going to be putting our brackets onto the running board. We're going to be using a 13mm socket and a ratchet. As far as the hardware goes, you're going to want to look for the pre-assembled bolts as opposed to the ones that don't have any washers on them yet. For this one, we're going to be using a 13mm wrench. And once you've installed this bracket, repeat the same process with the other brackets. Now we're going to put our running board onto the 4Runner. So you're going to want to grab a bolt, one of the longer bolts. You're going to put a washer on it. And then we're going to screw it into this hole. Then to tighten it down, we're going to be using a 13mm socket and a ratchet. Then repeat for the other brackets and repeat on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the Barricade TCX drop side step bars for a 2010 to 2024 4Runner, excluding the Limited. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything 4Runner, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.